dahil nagkaungkatan na. Sa pangyayari noong Super Typhoon Yolanda noong 2013, eto panoorin nyo.
Informed that I think the military is there already cutting the fallen trees so that access can be had. Lahat ito, we have about 20 doctors, 20 nurses, and the cream of the crop of our search and retrieval component of the 911. And doon sila, they left the day after dineploy ko na kaagad at pinadalan ko sila doon to help. Again, I would repeat, there is an imperative need, a moral obligation for the Davaoenos to help. I will be there. Ganito yan eh. I will go direct by, there are 3 helicopters being used now. One is the helicopter of the ever-patriotic Colonel Afdal. Pastor Kiboloy contributed his R-44.